The center has begun examining responses submitted by WhatsApp and Telegram over their username feature as the government continues to review concerns related to cyber fraud and online impersonation. According to sources, WhatsApp submitted its reply on the night of July 9th, while Telegram has also responded to the IT Ministry's notice. Both submissions are now under examination. The government had earlier directed WhatsApp not to roll out the feature in India until consultations are completed to its satisfaction. The proposed username feature would allow users to communicate without sharing their phone numbers. However, the government has raised concerns that the feature could increase phishing, impersonation, digital arrest scams, and other cybercrimes. Notices were also issued to Telegram and Signal seeking details on the safeguards they have in place. Earlier, Meta officials met the IT ministry following the notice. WhatsApp had assured the government that the feature would not be launched in India until discussions are complete. The company also said it has built multiple layers of protection, including reserving usernames for public figures, limiting contact attempts by new accounts, and using systems to detect impersonation. The government has not yet announced its next course of action, and there has been no official response from Telegram or WhatsApp after submitting their replies.